Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I got another really interesting property, very interesting, here in sunny San Diego, Del Mar. The ocean is literally right there, but this neighborhood alone, there's homes between, I would say, 3 million to even 10 million. So I'm gonna show you this fixer-upper, which has a lot of potential. So let's check it out. Hey guys, my name is Trubnikov. I'm a local real estate agent here in sunny San Diego, and I do property tours. I also talk about personal finance and also about fitness and my journey. So with that being said, let's go check out this home behind me. So this right here is the street that's gonna be on. So the ocean is right there. There are two homes are being built right now over there, so as you can see them. So it's a very interesting neighborhood, and these homes, a lot of them have ocean views, so they're much more valuable. But this lot size, this home right here, is 8,000 square feet, which is humongous, especially in Del Mar. That's large. I almost fell. But we are going to go through the entrance, and I'm going to show you the house. It's technically listed as 2-bedroom, 1 bath, but that's not truly the case. So as you walk in, you got the living area space. You got the first office. As you can see, everything is original and ready to go. This is your first bathroom. Very tall. This is your first official bedroom, but the office that we just saw could be converted into a bedroom. And regarding the permit process, I'm gonna talk about that too. This is the second technical bedroom. Let's see the kitchen. Here is the other living space. They got the washer and dryer. First, I thought this was the garage, but I think this is an addition that they added throughout the years. So this is your view from this area.
And then you rent out both of them while you're getting permits. That's what I would do. I'm gonna live in the garage. Yeah. No, that was his baby.
This tree is so sweet, huge.
Those are used to have so many apples. Oh, really? In the fall, yep, that's an apple tree. No good taking because it's good.
So regarding this property, if you want to fix it up, just the permits alone are gonna take you about 2.5 years to get, and then it's all about the process of actually taking the action and fixing up the property. So you're going to have, you can fix up that property right there, make it larger, maybe have some ocean views, and then convert this into an ADU. So you have 2 parcels, 2 units in here. Let's go through here. And the great part about this specific, you cannot even go outside from here. Let me see. The good thing about this unit is this is a garage right here. So once you create this into an ADU, they have their own way of like moving into the property. So like driving in, because it is an alley and it stops right here. So technically you're the last one on the alley. So there is an access point to come to the ADU. So number wise, this is listed for just under $2.8 million. You can rent it out in the meantime and generate some cash flow while you're getting the permits. My expectation is gonna take about 1.5 to 2 million, I would say around that price range, to fix up and create an ADU over here and fix up that property. Now that all depends on what kind of specs you want, but that's my personal opinion, my professional opinion. So you're gonna be in the ballpark of just under 5 million. So that was it. That was the property right behind me, listed for just under $2.8 million. My personal opinion is a little bit pricey because if you put about 2 million into it, you're gonna be touching 5 million price range. And yeah, there are homes here at the 7 million, 8 million with amazing views. Like for example, this home over here is gonna have a little bit of ocean view, but at the same time, you can create ADU, add some value. And if you are looking to buy or sell real estate here in sunny San Diego, or you are interested in that property, feel free to let me know. My name is Alex. I'm a local real estate agent here. I'm gonna leave my information in the description of this video. Feel free to contact me. With that being said, until next property tour or just the next video. До свидания.